here we are at the rear. We've had some questions about how to get your bracket around the washer up here. So today we're going to show you this vehicle that we're working on has an aftermarket rear bumper, which makes things even a little more challenging. We've got this extra lip we got to work around. So we're just going to take our bracket. Our mount face is going to face the front of the vehicle, and we're just going to work our way slowly up and around. And once you get to the washer, you might have some struggles trying to get it around. All you need to do is tilt it, get one edge above the washer, and then just work your way around. So now we've got our bracket up and around that large washer. We're going to take one of the provided washers along with the OEM nuts, and we're going to go ahead and just put those back on those studs. Get them started by hand. That first one, then we'll grab our second one, and we're going to get that back hole. So we'll put the washer on there first and follow with that nut. And we can go ahead, get that snug back up. The trick that I found is on the front here, because of the angle, it's better to have a shallow socket with an extension to clearance around it. And then on the back here, you just have a deep socket, or you can use that same one. So go ahead and get that snug, or get that set into position. And I'm honestly just going to tighten this rear one first because it's the easiest. That'll lock our position. And now I'm going to come back with my other socket and tighten that front one. Got our shallow socket on an extension. You'll be able to get up in there a little easier. And we'll just fully tighten that down. Follow the torque specs in your instructions, and yeah, that's how you deal with this oversized washer on the body mount, and you're able to work and get your bracket up and around.